Well, it started out really chilly, and now it's warmed up. We're at 58 degrees, the warmest we've been in a long time, Elliot.
I know, it feels like forever since we've gotten to enjoy some nice, comfortable temperatures, especially after what we had last weekend and even earlier this week and this morning. Take a look at this. We were in the upper 20s across Bexar County this morning. Outside of downtown, we were in the low to mid 20s off to the north. We were about 10 degrees away from tying the record, or 9 degrees away, I should say. And then over our northern counties, 21 in Junction this morning. We're supposed to be in the low 40s this time of year for our morning lows, but we were way below average. Very cold conditions there, but we rebounded pretty good. We were in the low to mid 60s this afternoon. We saw that off to the north, in and around the downtown area, mid to upper 60s down to the south, a little bit closer to average. This afternoon, the record 81, obviously nowhere near that, but our temperatures are going to be feeling warmer over the next couple of days. Things are nice and quiet on the radar, even on our satellite, but looking off to the west, we got this area of cloud cover moving through New Mexico and even over in Arizona as well. This is going to be tracking eastward into our area as we head throughout the overnight tonight. Why is this important? Because it'll keep temperatures from getting too cold as we head into tomorrow morning. Temperatures right now are in the upper 50s around downtown, mid 50s in the Kerrville area. We're also in the low to mid 60s down to the southwest right now. Going throughout the evening, temperatures will be in the 40s. We'll start dropping down into the mid 40s around 9 o'clock, and then we'll stay there around 10 o'clock with the 30s popping back up during the overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, mid 30s around downtown. Some of you outside of Bexar County will get at or slightly below the freezing mark, but the coldest spots will definitely be off to the north. Junction and Fredericksburg, you guys will be in the mid to upper 20s as we head into your Thursday. But as you go throughout the day, things are going to be feeling pretty good out there. Partly cloudy skies around 40 late morning. We'll hit the upper 50s at lunchtime, and then those highs will be in the mid 60s as we go throughout the afternoon. Outside of Bexar County, we'll be in the low 60s off to the north, low 70s down to the southeast and down to the south. Looking off to the southwest, low 70s as well. Uvalde, you guys will be in the mid to upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. And then our next cold front comes in. We're actually going to be looking at the upper levels as we head into the end of the week. So here's that cold front. This is at the surface of the earth, but upper level cold air is going to be filtering in behind it. So we get a large wall, if you will, of cold air that's going to be filtering in as we head into this coming weekend. And yes, that does mean many of us are going to be below the freezing mark again, but only during the morning hours. And then as we head into the beginning of next week, you'll notice that warmer air is going to start to filter back in, and then we'll see temperatures feel a lot better once we get to next Monday. Saturday morning, upper 20s and low 30s, most of us at or below freezing. So a very cold start to the weekend, but it's also going to be a little bit breezy as well. Going to zoom out real quick and show you the lows Saturday morning. Going to be in the low to mid 20s over our far northern counties, upper 20s and low 30s as well down to the south and the southeast. But the wind gusts Friday evening, winds will be okay. But as we head into Saturday, those winds are going to pick up, which means the wind chill factor will be coming into play. Unfortunately, it's going to feel like we're in the upper 20s Saturday morning. It's going to feel like the upper teens and low 20s around the Fredericksburg area as we go into your Saturday. And then looking ahead to next week, we have another system we're going to keep an eye on, another upper level low. This is the middle of next week. This will bring our next round of rain into our area, but don't worry, no icy precipitation is expected, but we are looking to see a few rain chances during the middle of next week. Obviously, we're still about a week away, so this is something we'll keep a close eye on as we head throughout the next few days. But look at these temperatures during the weekend. Very cold in the morning, but the afternoons not too bad. But temperatures obviously going to get a lot better once we get to the middle of next week.
All right, no, you'll be watching that.